Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Tabitha the Aunt, the owner of Belly Get Living, and this is
Lexi. Hello, everyone.
Hello. This is what, the third night? Third night.
Number 3.
5 days of Christmas, number 3.
Mm-hmm.
Number 3. Dun, dun, dun,
Mm-hmm.
dun.
Number 3, number 3.
Number 3. Okay. So tonight we are going to do a quick, simple, easy DIY. What?
Door hanger. It is a door hanger.
It's a door hanger. Okay, come on here and tell us hello. Tell us where you're coming from. And what are we going to ask tonight? What are we going
I want to know if you guys are in the community or not. If you guys are, tell us what your favorite thing is about it. If you're not, why aren't you?
Yeah. Yeah, that's exactly. Why aren't you?
We would love to have you.
Hi, Tracy. Yes, we would love to have you. So let us know. Are you in the community? And if you are, what's your favorite thing that we do in the community?
Yes.
And if you're not, why aren't you? Okay, we're going to get started. Make sure you share, like, and comment for a $50 gift card. But at the end of this, we are going to give away 2 more gifts, 2 more free gifts.
So make sure you guys are commenting, and sharing, and staying until the end of the video, because that's when we're going to do it. So
Yes.
make sure you're here the whole time.
Hello, Juanita. And if you guys have not seen our videos, then go back and watch them.
Yes.
We've had tons of you guys sharing them, doing all the wonderful things, and we so appreciate you. Hello, Pat.
We sure do.
So we appreciate all of you guys so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So we're going to get started. Further ado, let's...
Yes. Okay, first, we are going to show you our little ribbon here, this gorgeous plaid red ribbon. It is gorgeous. It has the creams, the blacks, the reds, the whites. Gorgeous.
So pretty.
And it's wired.
Yes, and you know me, I'm a plaid person. I'm a really big plaid person. Okay, so the second thing we're going to use, we're not going to have very much tonight, let me tell you.
Yes.
So the second thing that we're going to use is dun da da dun. This. What was that? It's a snowflake.
How cute is this?
How cute is darling? That? Okay, and it's on with a little string, just like this. So you could put this on your front door. Isn't this so cute? You could put this on your front door, and you could leave this, honestly, pretty much until spring. Yeah, you really could. I started thinking, yeah, you could.
Yes, spring.
You could definitely do that. But isn't it super cute? Now this comes. We got this at Hobby Lobby. We're doing all the things that you guys can get. So if you're local or you're not local, you can still get the same things. Hello, Gwen. Yes. So we got this at Hobby Lobby. There's, I think they said 3 different sizes. They had a small, medium, and a large. I believe this is the large. But is this not cute? I love a good snowflake. I don't know about you guys, but this is just adorable.
I think it's adorable.
It's wood. It's wood.
Yes, it is wooden. And it has this little
hook.
It's a hook, but I can't, like twine.
Twine
Hook.
It's twine. I'll turn it around there.
Yes.
So you guys can see
adorable.
So we're going to decorate this tonight.
Yes, with you.
With
you.
Okay.
So we also have this pick here. If I'm being quite honest, I don't even know where this came from because we had it up in our attic or a little mini Hobby Lobby upstairs. But it has this gorgeous little birch sticks. It has different kind of foliage here that's all flocked and sparkly.
It's super cute. I think we got that at Michael's. I think I did.
I can see that, yeah.
I got that at Michael's.
Okay. And then we also have this red cranberries that's flocked as well. This one is from Hobby Lobby.
So everything has a little cranberry. It's always a little flocked. We're all into the flockness, I guess, this year.
Are. So we have these 2 picks, just one of each.
Our snowflake.
The snowflake.
Sorry, Lex.
We have our ribbon, our adorable ribbon.
That's what we're going to use.
And, hold on, 2 zip ties. If you guys are in our community, we tend to lose these a lot. We didn't lose them this time. We have them this time.
We have them. We've got them. And we got extra. Because I'm like, let's just get extra just in case so we don't lose our zip ties. Hello, everyone.
Technically, I think we should have had white or clear, but we don't. We're just going to roll with punches. We have black. It's fine.
Yes. Hello, Susan. Hello. Is it real? Is that how I say it? Real.
Let us know.
Let us know. Am I saying that? I butcher people's names. It's nothing against you.
It's not personal.
No.
She's just kind of...
Sylvia, hello. Hello, everyone. Hello, Stephanie. Okay.
I'm going to start getting our dovetail ribbon ready. Okay, so we have the ribbon like this, like I was telling you guys last night. We fold it in half, and we are going to cut it. We're going to cut it at an angle.
Yep.
I guess I can kind of show you guys. We're cutting it at an angle.
An angle.
And I've done this a time or 2. If you cut it the wrong way and you have a triangle at the top, you can just do it again.
Do it
cut
again.
It the other way. Okay, so you have this. You cut it here. Perfect.
Okay. So she's gonna let me make the bow.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So it's gonna be pretty
I take
easy.
a little bit longer making the bows. I
Okay.
can, but it takes longer.
So what I really like to do is I'll have Lexi hold this. And what I like to see is how far I want down my tail.
Yes.
Yeah. Like, so do I really want it that long? Do I want it about like that? Which I think I do. You really want it to be kind of flowing into it, but you don't want it to be overpowering it.
Yeah.
Even maybe a little bit like that. So that's where my tail's going to start. So the next thing I'm going to do is make a loop.
Yes.
Okay. So
Loop it up.
literally tail, loop, take another loop. You're going to go under.
Yes. Keep
Okay.
pinching the same part.
Yep. You're going to hold it like this.
Yes.
Under. So I have
Yes.
1, 2 loops. So you're going to take it up under again. And you can make as many loops as you want. And then we're going to go back up under again. Okay? Is it that simple?
Yes.
Did I lose you guys?
Do it again one more time.
One
so
more
they can see
time?
it.
One more
Yes.
time? Does everybody want one more time? Give me a heart if you want
Maybe
one more time.
Okay, we can go one more time, get closer, and then maybe show them with your hands more. Maybe that'll help.
Because look how pretty that is. Okay, before I do it one more time, I'm going to tell you some little tips about this. You really want to keep your loops pretty much the same size. You can go with as many loops as you would like. See, you could go with another loop if you'd like, and I could do that. But I'm going to show you again. Okay, so this is going to be our tail right here. We decided this is the tail. So I'm going to start the loop right here. Okay, so there's our tail. I've literally got it in my hands. I don't have very big hands, I know. But you're going to take it there. So that's your first loop. And you're going to take it up under again. And now you have 2 loops. Okay? I know that sounds really crazy, but see, if I had it in my hand, it's like a little bow, just like that.
Perfect.
Okay, here's your tail. But I want more loops. So you just put another loop, just like this. Just like this. It's that simple. And when I do this, guys, I have to stop and I look because I'm like, are my tails and my loops the same size? Okay. Because that's really important because you don't want one big loop and then one little one and one little one and one big loop. You want them all the same size. So I'm going to do that one more time because I know you guys are going to see this. Here's my tail. I decided that's basically what my size of my tail is. A loop. There's the loop. Now I'm going to take it under again so that there's straight. There's another loop. Then you take it again. There's another loop. And then you take it again. And there's another loop. It's literally that simple.
Gorgeous.
That simple? Okay. I want to see if you guys start doing these. I really want to know if you guys can make these bows because I promise you, you can do it. You can do it.
You can do it. I have faith in you. I believe in you.
Okay. Now, I always like to make sure that my loops are about the same size. And if they're not, you can adjust it. It's just really simple and easy. Okay.
Okay, so where she's pinching right here in the middle,
That's got all of it.
Our first zip tie is going to go.
Yep.
We're just going to go.
And I love a good zip tie. I know a lot of people say, Tabitha, you can use pipe cleaners. You can use, what else did they say? Oh, wire. You can use floral wire. I don't. I use zip ties because I'm going to tell you what's so easy about this. You can get it in there really strong. Then you can put another zip tie right down here and then you can hook it on to whatever you want. It's that simple. It's literally that simple.
So I'm going to cut off the excess here.
Cut it.
Oh.
Yep.
We have our handy dandy little cutters here that aren't cutting. There we go.
They're cutting.
Okay.
Yep.
Perfect.
Okay, so this is on wire. So we're going to just sit here and do this with it until it looks adorable, which is going to look adorable. Look, I just really wanted a simple bow. So we just go down. Okay, now we've got our bow.
Yep.
Look how
So
pretty
here's
that
the
is.
tail. We're going to go down and we're like, okay, right here is about the same. So you're going to fold it in half and do, oh, I almost did it. Okay, got to do it this way.
Okay,
I gotta face it because last time I did this, I did a triangle.
It's okay if you do. Everybody has to learn somehow.
Nope, that's the triangle. Okay, Here we go.
There you go. Just don't cut yourself.
Yeah, don't cut yourself. Perfect.
Look. Woo, woo-hoo.
Got it.
Look at
No
our
triangle.
pretty bow. Look at this. Okay, so now once you get it all done, you can just kind of fluff it out. And I really want it to look, it'll be fine. It'll be fine.
Yes.
I want it to be fluffy. But what I love before we start this really strong is that you can put another zip tie. I know you guys can't see this, but you guys could put another zip tie back here and it'll hold it on to, see? Did you see that? I put another zip tie right back there so that now you can put it on anything you want. So look,
Gorgeous.
Look how pretty that is. See, it's super simple. I cut wrong lots of times.
Yeah. So when you cut the wrong time, this is what the end of your ribbon's going to look like. This is the triangle. You cut the triangle out when you do it correctly. You know how many times I've cut this triangle in the ribbon? It's fine.
It's okay, but it looks great now. Look how pretty this is going to be. Okay, so simple. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do,
we have this one here. This is the big greenery pick here.
It's a pick. Mm-hmm.
So what we're going to do is we're going to split it. Oh, don't get it caught in your hair. My hair likes to eat things.
So they can see.
You have this here. You split it down the middle. It was together like this. I literally just separated it. And you're going to fold it all the way over like this. So now you have greenery on both sides.
And now it looks like a garland.
Yes. And you're going to fluff them out. You're going to kind of spread them out. Make sure that there's greenery on each side. You got all your picks here.
It looks kind of funny right now. It's kind of like my bow.
It kind of looks a little funky by itself.
But once you get it all together, it's going to be gorgeous, I promise.
Yes. And we're going to do the same thing with our red one. So there is 3 picks here. So I'm just going to split this one right here. Fold it back down.
Yep. Love it. Okay.
Okay. And we're going to stack them on top of each other.
Okay.
So now we have this to go on top of our snowflake.
Yep.
And the bow's going to be in the middle of it. So you picture your bow right here.
Yep. Perfect.
Okay. So we have our snowflake. This is going to be on top of our snowflake here.
Just like that.
Adorable.
Look how cute that is. And then we're going to put that bow with the zip tie that we just did.
Yes.
Right in the middle.
Right on the top.
Right in the middle. Look at that.
Yep. Okay, I'm going to hold all of these picks and everything while she puts it around.
Okay. And we might need another one.
No, we can put it here. There we go.
Okay. It's going to be really tight, guys, when you do this. And you might need 2 people helping you do it.
You definitely need 2 people helping you.
Okay.
You know, this is just like the community. I'm going to get another zip tie real fast.
Yeah, it always is. It's always something.
We always underestimate
Isn't that
our zip
super
ties.
cute, though? It's super easy.
Here.
Super cute.
So if you guys have never done this before.
Here, we're going to do it, right? So they can see it.
You're going to have your zip tie here. To make your zip ties longer, just add another one.
Just add
into
another
the other
one.
end.
It's literally that simple.
So I'm going to go down and around. Make sure we get all of our picks here included.
Yep. I got the back of it. So simple.
You may need 2 hands.
You may need 2 hands, but you can have your husband help you.
Yeah.
It's that simple. It's really that simple.
I'm going to cut that off here, but I left it a little loose in case we needed to adjust it.
Yeah. Always leave it on there, and I'll just hold it while you adjust it and make it pretty. Okay. And look.
I'm going to fluff out our bows again. I'm going to adjust our little picks. Make sure you can see them all.
Cute. Isn't that darling?
Yes. It is absolutely adorable. I like to pinch my ribbon like this so that it looks like it's been like kind of like crimped. I think that's adorable.
Yeah. So cute.
And to do that, I literally just pinch it and it has the wire. So it has it here.
And then straighten it out.
Straighten it out the ends. There we go.
So cute.
Look how cute and easy that is. I'm going to stand behind it so you kind of have like a solid backdrop to see it.
Isn't that darling?
The large snowflakes were from Hobby Lobby.
Yeah. So cute.
Isn't that adorable?
So cute.
I love that.
So easy.
So simple. I'm going to cut off.
Okay, guys, I always like to do this too.
I'm going to cut off.
Lexi's going to cut that off first, make it sure that it's really super tight, and we'll show you what it looks like on the back. So you guys know you can do this. You could go. You could totally go do this with your friends, with your own daughters, with whoever, your grandmas, whoever,
your husband.
Yeah. I'm gonna fluff it while you guys sit here and watch it.
Yes, look how cute this is. So we have the greenery pick, the cranberry pick, and our bow. Isn't that adorable? We have it on our little sign here.
It litters that so simple, and
cute,
so cute. And I love when you fluff out the bow.
Yes.
Yeah. And I have this little cranberry sticking out here because I think that's just so cute. And see how cute. And see how we have a little bit of the
little greenery pick down here.
Yes, it's so cute. Okay, and you could stick this up. Yeah, like that.
Get a few branches out.
Yeah, get a few of it just sticking out everywhere.
Isn't that adorable?
So cute. And you could leave this out until spring. It hit me.
I gotcha.
Until spring. Another place you could use this, if you don't want to use it on your front door, it is absolutely stunning to put this on a big mirror, kind of like this one right there. So if you have a big mirror in your entryway, or you have a mirror in a bathroom that you don't really need to see all of it, this would be so cute to be hanging off the mirror. It'd be darling. And it's
so
very
cute.
festive. Very, very festive.
Or on a bookshelf, or since it has a little twine, you could even hang this on your wall. Like if you have like a little basket you change out for the seasons,
You could totally
you can
do
take it down and put this there.
Yeah, totally do that.
Isn't that adorable?
So cute. There's lots of different places. Now, I will tell you the best things that you could actually do that, because a lot of people are going to ask me, if you hang it on a mirror or you hang it somewhere like that, where do you put it? You could put it, honestly, the suction cups are the best ones. Just get them a little wet and then suction them to them and they will stick completely. Okay. Make sure that we got our little loop down there. It's so cute. It's just darling. It's so simple. Okay.
Here's the hanger,
so we got something to tell you. Guess what? Dun, dun, dun,
we are
dun.
so excited.
Yes. What are we going to do with this, Lexi?
We are going to be giving this away on Sunday. So one of you lucky gals, the one who is with us the most, the one that is just talking to us, sharing, liking, commenting, joining our community, one of you guys are going to get this. And we are so excited.
We're going to send it to your home.
We are going to send it to you.
We will be announcing that Sunday.
Yes.
Sunday. So stay tuned. Make sure that you keep doing all the things you guys are doing, because you're doing fabulous. And we're going to send this to somebody's lovely home. And then we get to see where they put it, which is so important.
Because in our community, everybody posts their homes and like shows us their inspiration, asks us questions, shows us what they're up to.
Yes.
We love it.
Yes.
And we want to see where you guys put this.
Yeah. Yeah. It's kind of like what we do in the elegant community. When you're in the community, we do the exact same thing. We do.
Everything together.
We do the same exact thing. So if you love what you've been doing the last 3 nights with us, get in the elegant community, because we do this every single week.
And right now you can get in for $5 this month as part of our holiday giveways. It is only $5.
I gotta have a thumbs up. Let's see if they do it.
We'll do the fireworks. See if it goes together.
I don't know.
No, you gotta do.
They're not liking us. I don't know. Facebook doesn't like it.
Sometimes if you do this, Facebook will give you. There we go.
Oh, there you go. Good job,
Everybody
Facebook.
gets fireworks. Yes.
Okay. So cute. So we're going to be sending this to somebody's house, and we're going to announce that on Sunday. So
it'll be so pretty. So yes, make sure you guys get in. It's only $5 right now. It's $5 for you. And it would be perfect for a friend. So make sure that you and your friends are getting in, because I don't know about you guys, but my friend Neely and I like to get together and binge watch these videos and then do them for her apartment and my house. So it'd be so much fun.
That would be so much fun. So, okay, guys, we will be back tomorrow at what time?
Tomorrow's Saturday, so 9 a.m.
9
a.m. Santa's coming to town.
We're going to be back at 9 a.m. and we're going to have some more giveaways and stuff.
Not another door hanger.
Okay.
Tomorrow's a floral arrangement. We're going to teach you the super simple, easy as 1, 2, 3 floral arrangement.
Yes.
So excited.
Yes.
Okay. So without further ado, we are going to close our eyes like we have in the last videos, and we're going to be giving away the.
Oh, am I supposed to do that now or what?
Giving away the dining. Call me off guard. We're going to be giving away a giveaway.
Okay.
Okay, I have glitter all over me. Okay. Okay, we're going to close our eyes.
I do too.
Close your eyes. You guys can tell me if she's cheating. Okay, stop.
I'm not cheating.
Michelle Euler, you are one of the winners of the giveaway today. So congratulations. Make sure, actually, I am about to send you something, so I can just get your address from there. So thank you. Yes.
We don't need
your
your
scent box
address.
is about to come out to you.
Yay.
Okay. I'm going to close my eyes again and we're going to do it again.
Okay. Dun,
okay.
Dun, dun.
Ruby Sybil. I don't know if I said your name right. I'm so sorry if I didn't, but you love this and we love this for you. We are so excited for you. Yes. So make sure you guys like, comment, and share. And one of you guys will be getting this on Sunday when we're teaching you how to do everything about a Christmas tree. So let us know what kind of ribbon you'd like to see on the Christmas tree.
I'm fluffing it.
Someone's going to be so excited. We're going to be shipping this to somebody who is with us and joins our community and does all the things. So we will talk to you guys soon.
Thank you.
Bye.